Hello my friends, Stark here, Tuesday 16th of December 2014. It's raining, so let's be fast. Two-foot foundry ready steel will always fetch a better price than 5-foot foundry ready steel, which in turn will fetch a better price than unsorted steel. But your best price will be for 2-foot P&S, which means pipe and structural. Well, pipe is self-explanatory. Structural is items such as T-iron, angle iron, I-beams and so forth. Like regular 2-foot steel or 5-foot steel, it does have to be at least 1/8 of an inch in thickness. You'll have to decide for yourself whether it's worth the additional time and cost in preparing 2-foot steel in comparison with 5-foot steel. If you're using gases to cut, then you'll use more gas to cut steel into 2-foot sections. If you're cutting mechanically, as I did, then you'll use more blades. There's also the time factor. It costs more time to prepare 2-foot steel as opposed to 5-foot, and that's particularly important if you're paying an employee to do it. In my case, I cut most of this myself. I'm in a mini cash flow crisis right now. It's comforting to know that I have invoices with clients, so things will improve in the medium term, but that does not help the short term. Hence my decision to sell this 2-foot P&S, despite the fact that prices are not what they once were. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. See you next time.